Hello viewers, everyone back to my Speed Max and Math Electrical for you. In today's session we are going to see the short questions and answers on part A on the subject of electric circuit analysis. Myself Dr.M.RAJMAL JOSHI. At the end of the session, please like, share and subscribe to get more update of our channel's videos. So how are the following affected by the change of frequencies in the resistance and in the inductive reactance? So when you are speaking resistance, it is going to be independent of frequency. It means that it does not involve the terms of frequency. Whereas inductive reactance varies linearly with frequency, where XL is omega L and omega is equal to 2 pi f, where f is the frequency here. Question number 2. Define nodal analysis of an circuit. It is an electrical circuit analysis method in which voltages at node is to be taken as an independent variable, and according to KCL rule, current flowing towards the node is equal to 0. Find the equivalent current source for the voltage of 100 volt and resistance of 2 ohm. So the equivalent current source always to be, we need to place the current source and the resistance R to be placed in parallel. We have to place the element R here and we have to find out the current from the given data here. Voltage is given as 100 volt and resistance is given as 2 ohm. So I is equal to V by R. V is 100, R is 2. So we will get the current as 50 ampere. Now we can draw the equivalent current source with the data obtained. So 50 ampere current source is placed and the element of R is placed in parallel to the voltage source. What is reciprocity theorem? So this theorem states that the voltage source in a branch of a network gives rise to current in another branch. It means that the ratio of V by I is going to be remain constant when the positions of V and I also interchange. What is? Sketch the transient current for the transient current versus time for a series RL circuit. So whenever we need to construct the graph, we need to take your x-axis and y-axis. Along x-axis we will take time and y-axis will take I of t. Since it is an RL series circuit, the tau ratio is given by L by R, that is the time constant for the RL circuit. So with it we will get exponential curve. Up to a particular period of time it will keep on increasing. After saturation it will remain constant. The ratio of E by R will get there. New viewers, please post your comments. At the end of this session, please post your comments and like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Consider two cases for the RL parallel circuit with going to be applied with the DC voltage and as well as AC voltage in a circuit. So this circuit is given in which we have R and C in parallel with an DC input voltage and as well as AC input voltage also. When in DC, how the capacitor is get charged in these two cases we need to explain. When DC voltage is applied to the circuit, the capacitor will charge rapidly, after which only current will be flowing through the resistor. When an AC voltage is applied to this circuit, it cannot reach to the final charge, but there will be some carrying current in the circuit will be there. What is resonant circuit? So basically a resonant circuit is said to be in resonance when the V and I in the network input terminal are to be in phase with each other. That is V and I voltage are phase in each other. We call it as the resonant circuit. What is dot rule? for the coupled circuit. In mutually coupled circuit, the polarity of this mutually induced voltages are to be determined by using the dot rules. So it can be explained with the following procedures. One current enters to the coil through its dotted terminal. The other current can leave from the other coil. In such case, what will happen to the sign of the mutually induced voltages? It will be in opposite to that of the self-induced voltage drop term. Second case, when both of the assumed currents to be enter or to leave the coil through the dotted terminal, then the induced voltages are of the same sign as of the self-inductance voltage drop term. So the four different ways of making the connection will explain you now through the mutually induction coupled circuits. So first we will try to construct the four diagrams for the two mutually coupled circuits, and the above statements what we given we are going to explain with the dotting the terminals to the given circuit. So one to the enter to the coil, the other may from same way procedure. One may be entered to the coil, the other end dot terminal may be leave from the coil, or both may be entering to the leaving of the coil, or other one may be entering from the coil, the other one may be from leaving of the coil. So these are the four ways of connection in an coupled circuit. Thanks for watching. New viewers, please like, share, subscribe our channel to get more update on our math, electrical and speed max for you. A 3-phase 440 volt supply is given to an star connected load impedance of 6 plus j8. We need to find the magnitude of this line current. As already we know that IL is equal to, in a star connected, IL will be equal to I phase. So IL is equal to V phase divided by Z. So V phase divided by Z, that is magnitude of Z, we have to find it out. Let us see how to find out this magnitude of this Z. Z is equal to 6 plus j8, which is given in the problem. We need to find the magnitude of the Z. So it is square root of a square plus b square. So 6 square plus 8 square. So it is magnitude of 100. So taking the square root of this magnitude, Z is equal to 10, we will get in an star connected. In an star connected, IL will be equal to I phase. So IL is equal to V phase by root 3 divided by Z. That is V phase in terms of line voltages, V phase by root 3 divided by Z. So given voltage is 400 by root 3 and total magnitude of the Z is 10. So with this IL we get it as 23.09 ampere. What is power factor? It is the ratio of resistance to impedance in a given circuit, where cos phi is equal to R by Z, where phase angle is given by cos inverse of R by Z, where phi is the phase angle for this. We are running and coaching academic for the maths to the school and engineering college, where we will guide you maths and engineering core papers. You can freely contact to us whenever you free time, or you need any guidance in education. These are the two contacts number we have been given. Myself, Dr.M.RAJMAL JOSHI, running an educational services, where I am the course instructor for all this. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to get more updates.